बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। तो लिंग्विस्टिक के एमसीक्यूज़ जो है ये बहुत अहम एमसीक्यूज़ हैं जो तकरीबन 20 के करीब जो हैं पीपीएससी के पेपर में इंग्लिश लेक्चर के लिए आते हैं। और ये सब के सब जो हैं जॉर्ज यूल की जो स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेज की बुक है लिंग्विस्टिक की, उसमें से आते हैं। तो ये मैंने खुद उसमें हर चैप्टर से निकाल के अहम जो पास पेपर्स में भी आ चुके हैं तो वो मैंने निकाले हैं। आज मैं आपको 40 के करीब वो जो है वो एमसीक्यूज़ करवाने जा रहा हूँ। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदुइज्म लैंग्वेज केम फ्रॉम सरस्वती। उसके बाद है लैंग्वेज माइट बी स्टार्टेड बाय द इमिटेशन ऑफ साउंड्स विच अर्ली मैन एंड वीमेन हेयर्ड अराउंड देम। दिस डिस्क्राइब्स, ये कौन सी थ्योरी को डिस्क्राइब करता है? बाओ वाओ थ्योरी। The sound of a person involved in physical effort could be the source of our language। ये थ्योरी कौन सी थ्योरी है? ये ही हु, ये वाली थ्योरी। The biological basis of formation and development of human language is called glossogenetics। उसके बाद है human being can talk about their present, past and future। This property of language is called displacement। There is no connection between a linguistic form and its meaning, describe arbitrariness। Who can utter new and novel words and sentences but animal can't? We can। It describes which property? Productivity। A little change in the sound can change the meaning, describes which property of human language? Discreteness। The general study of characteristics of speech sound is called phonetics। The study of movement of speech organs in articulation of speech or the study of how the speech sounds are made is articulatory phonetics। The study of physical properties of a language is called acoustic phonetics। The study of perception of speech sound is called auditory phonetics। The study of sounds involving speakers identification and analysis of recorded utterance is called forensic phonetics। When the vocal cords are spread apart and the air from the lungs passes between them unimpeded without any stoppage, the sound is called unvoiced and voiceless, both। When there is some vibration in vocal cord while producing sound, the sound will be voiced। There are total 44 sounds in English language. Total number of vowels and consonant sounds in English 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds। The sounds in English language are classified as bilabials, dentals, alveolars. It is according to their place of articulation। The sounds which are formed using both upper and lower lips, M, B, W, are called bilabials. F and V are labiodentals. The sounds formed with tongue tips behind upper front is th, the are called dentals. T, d, s, z, and n are called dash because they are pronounced with the front part of the tongue on the alveolar ridge। Alveolar sounds होते हैं। ख, g are called velars। There a sound that is produced without the active use of the tongue and the other parts of the mouth. What is it called? Glottal। H sound। H। International IPS stands for International Phonetic Association। The consonant sounds resulting from a blocking effect on air stream is called plosives। P, b, t, d, k, g. These are plosives। The consonants having the air push through the narrow opening are called fricatives। Find the examples of fricatives। Sh, j, ch, M, N, and H are called nasals। W, R, or Y are called both B and C, gliding and approximate। Find out liquid consonant. L and R are liquid consonants. What are the syllabic consonants? L and N. In American English, if T occurs between vowels, it is pronounced as D. For example, writer as rider and metal as medal. This is flapping। The only lateral sound is L. Words frequently occurring together are termed as examples: husband and wife, salt, pepper. This is collocation। When a part presents a whole entity, it is known as synecdoche. The study of intended speakers' meaning is called pragmatics. The set of words used in the same phrase or sentence is called linguistic context. It is also known as context.